What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 4 of the Amazon FBA 10K per month profit challenge. And today we'll be going over product sourcing. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. So, yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel as well to the series, we've already went through the class layout. And just to preface everything, I spent 10K to actually have a business, build me this business, this Amazon FBA business in a box from start to finish. It is a 12-week process, as you can see on the screen. And right now we're on week number 4, chugging right along. So we're a third way through. Super excited to get this thing going. And right now, well, so far we've done the class layout, and that was like the beginning stages of creating my LLC and picking out a bank account, which I ended up choosing Chase Bank, and then also using a Paydex profile for my business. That way I can have cash flow on the back end, like 6 to 12 months into it, just in case I needed, need a huge influx of cash for my inventory, just to help keep up, and that way it doesn't, go below or go to zero, therefore dropping me off the first page. That's the reason why I have the Paydex profile. And if you're not sure what that is, check out the very first video. I kind of explain and break down why I'm doing it and how I'm doing it. Number 2, product selection tools. So I used, so buying this business, they actually picked the products for me, so I really don't have to worry about it. But yet they provided a tool called Zombase, which is a real cool tool, and it gives you everything that you need as far as if you need a product listing or PPC management, or to find a potential home run product. That is all on Zombase, and I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can check it out. I think there's a free trial in that link, so but yeah, just check it out. And number 3, again, product selection. I didn't have to do that. They provided me 2 products. I selected one, and I probably won't use the other. I don't think I will, but you never know. But that is there for me if I want to. But so based on that product, I gave that product, I told them which one that I wanted, and now they're currently seeking out suppliers right now to find the best pricing for my product. So again, they're doing most of the legwork when it comes to building this business out for me, and super excited to get this thing branded, which will be in 2 weeks. So of course I can't show you guys yet. I won't be able to show you guys until, I guess, technically next year, because this is a 12-week process. But yeah, super looking forward to showing you guys and revealing what it is and how it does. And once it does launch, I will be monitoring how well it does excuse me, each month. That way you can see when I hit that 10K per month profit goal, which is the whole point of this challenge. And so product sourcing, what they do is, I think what every Amazon seller does is source from Alibaba first. And see, let's go ahead and go to Alibaba. So let's say that your product is a pack of fishing lures. So what you would do is just kind of scroll through and see which one kind of matches the one that you found on Amazon, and contact the supplier. One thing that you want to watch out for is that when you do contact them, make sure you get their email address, because sometimes once you send them a message or email through Alibaba, they won't receive it. So I'd just definitely say if you can get their email address right off the bat, because that from like that point on, they might not be responsive because they might not have received your message. So please get their email right off the bat. That's one thing that we learned is it's always a must, is to get that email. And then also too, what you can do is go to this website called 1688 and convert to English, and then type in your product. Fishing and then you just scroll through, see if you can find one that you like. And the reason why you're doing this is so that way you can like screenshot and send these examples to the supplier in Alibaba to let them know like, hey, these people have it cheaper, what can you do for me? And see what they say. But let's see. There we go. But yeah, just see what they can do for you based on this pricing to see if you can drive down that cost even more for yourself to help increase your profit margins. You know, so in a template that we used, was this. Feel free to gut this out the way you see fit, but for the most part, I mean, this is okay. It's an okay template to use. Again, you can just Google it, Amazon template for reaching out to suppliers, and it'll basically be the same. So, yeah, that's the best way to go about doing it, is to go to 1688, see if you can find your product, and if you can't, no worries. I mean, just contact 7 to 20 different suppliers about your product and see which one has the best deal. And then also too, you want to have a freight forwarder. That's another, let me see. Well, I guess that's part of this too. So yeah, you want a freight forwarder to like be the one to actually take that product from the port all the way to Amazon to manage that whole entire process. You don't want to touch that if you don't have to. Matter of fact, they're actually taking care of it for me with this this package that I bought, so I don't have to mess with it. But I still want to learn the whole entire process from A to B. But yeah, to also see how much it costs from you to ship that, like as a supplier, from their warehouse all the way to the port. You want to get that cost embedded as well inside your product that you're sourcing from that supplier. So as you can see, next week, guys, we're gonna have Amazon Seller Central. We're gonna go through that. Me setting up my account, learning the ins and outs of it to see which things I need to look out for, which things that don't really matter, and all that great stuff. But if you like the video, guys, give your boy the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell while you're at it. And I will see you in the next episode. Peace.